Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about, well, talking. Specifically, how your voice is about to completely change the way you bank. And this isn't science fiction. This future is closer than you think, and it's all about conversation. So let's start with a wild thought. What if the whole process of banking just vanished? I'm not talking about your money, don't worry. I mean, the hassle, the apps, the websites, the logins. Imagine a world where you just don't have to do that anymore, because your bank is everywhere, all the time, just listening.
Well, there's a name for this idea, invisible banking. Basically, it's a model that uses AI voice assistants and, wearable tech to handle all your banking stuff for you, automatically, in the background. The whole point? To make your financial life totally seamless.
Okay, that sounds great in theory, right? But how does it actually work? Let's get into the nuts and bolts of the tech that's making this all happen.
So forget everything you know about the front door to your bank. It's not a building anymore. It's not even an app. It's an AI-powered virtual agent. Think of it like a super smart assistant, available 24/7 on any device you own, ready to handle, well, pretty much anything you throw at it, instantly.
And here's how it all goes down. You send a message, right? The AI immediately figures out what you need, dives into the bank's systems to get the info, puts together a perfect response, and bam, the transaction is done. But here's the really cool part. It's always learning. It gets smarter with every single chat. So, what's the result of all this high-tech magic? Well, the goal for response time is 0 seconds. Seriously, just think about that for a second. No more hold music, no more waiting in a digital line. You ask a question, you get an answer. Instantly. And we're not just talking about a quick hello. The average time to get an issue totally sorted out from start to finish is just 32 seconds. Now be honest, how does that stack up against the last time you had to call customer service? Yeah, I thought so. Okay, this all sounds amazing, super convenient, super fast. But I know what you're thinking. Is it secure? Absolutely. And that's where we get to the real heart of the matter, a technology called voice biometrics. The whole idea here is pretty simple, actually. Your voice is just as unique as your fingerprint. It's not about what you say, but how you say it. The technology analyzes all the tiny, unique things about your voice that come from, the physical shape of your throat and your nasal passages, and from that, it creates a one-of-a-kind digital signature, a voice print. Now, for you, setting this up is super easy. You basically just talk for a bit. But behind the scenes, it's incredibly sophisticated. The system takes that recording, creates your voice print, locks it away securely, and from then on, it just compares your live voice to that print to know it's really you. All right, so there you have it. Your unique voice print makes everything easy and secure. Sounds like the perfect system, doesn't it? Well, this is where our story takes a pretty sharp turn. The problem is, your unique voice isn't so unique anymore. The same incredible AI that makes all this convenience possible can be turned around and used by criminals to create a perfect synthetic clone of your voice. We're talking about deepfakes. And listen, this is not some what-if scenario for the future. It's happening right now. Security firm Pindrop reported a jaw-dropping 1,210% surge in this kind of AI-driven fraud in a single year. That's not a trend. That's an explosion. What this all means is that generative AI and deepfakes have completely changed the game. They've created this huge new threat where, frankly, you just can't trust what you hear anymore. The old idea of trusting the voice on the phone, that's pretty much over. So what happens now? Well, it's kicked off a massive technological arms race. You've got malicious AI on one side, trying to break in, and defensive AI on the other, trying to keep the walls up. It really is two sides of the exact same AI coin. On the one hand, you have the bad guys, using deep fakes and synthetic speech to pretend they're you, and on the other, you have the good guys using real-time analysis to spot those fakes and protect your accounts. So how do you fight a rogue AI? You fight it with an even smarter AI. These new defensive platforms are amazing. They can sniff out a synthetic voice in seconds. Because even the best deepfakes leave behind these tiny digital fingerprints. They look at call data, your behavior patterns, everything they need to know it's you without ever having to ask what's your mother's maiden name. And how well does it work? Unbelievably well. The top-tier solutions can now detect deepfakes with up to 99% accuracy. So yeah, the good guys are getting really, really good at this. All right, let's zoom out and look at the big picture here. Because this isn't just cool tech. It's a massive, booming industry that's going to affect all of us. Just look at the market for this stuff. The voice biometrics industry is expected to more than double in just 4 years. We're talking about going from over $3.3 billion to more than $7.1 billion. And that crazy growth is being fueled by two things: our demand for convenience and, you guessed it, the urgent need for security against these new AI threats. When you get right down to it, all this growth just proves one thing: the entire future of finance comes down to a balancing act. It's this constant tug of war between making things perfectly easy for us and making them perfectly secure. And figuring that out, that's one of the biggest challenges of our digital world. Which leaves us with one last, really important question to chew on as this tech weaves itself into our lives. As your bank literally becomes invisible and the only thing connecting you to your money is a voice, who are you really talking to?